Hello and welcome back to our next lecture. As we have previously told you, in this lecture we are going to discuss more in depth about using solo ads to build your email list and then doing affiliate marketing. Now, solo ads have a so-and-so reputation in the online marketing world. What do we mean by that? Is the fact that you need to choose your solo ads providers carefully. Why? Because there are a lot of people out there who have junk traffic. That means traffic which doesn't convert. So traffic which will not help you in absolutely any way to build your email list. That is why it's important to go to the right type of solo ad vendors. We don't want to guarantee you that we know which are these exact right people. But we are telling you this from our own experiences and from other people that we know in the industry. Okay, and we are going to recommend you two good solo ad vendors in our opinion, and also one of the best marketplaces for solo ad vendors. So a place where you can see more solo ad vendors and you can choose after specific filters if you want to work with them or not. Again, you use the same landing page as you have previously seen to capture your leads and put them into Aweber or whatever email marketing service you are going to use. And one of the first solo ad vendors that we want to recommend you is Roy Ties Solo Ads. You can check it out at roysolos.com. Again, we are not affiliates for Roy Solos, or we have no connection to him whatsoever. We simply recommend him because we have heard great things about him, and people actually have results with his traffic and with his leads. Okay, as you can see on his page as well. So check out now a couple of things about the traffic and the prices. Order your traffic package now. Okay, premium tier 1 traffic, and you have 100 clicks with $80 per click, $80, 200 premium tier 1, $140, 300, $210, okay, and so on. If you buy more traffic, obviously the price goes down, right? It's that's obvious, of course. And pre-sale traffic, 110. What is pre-sale traffic? Premium pre-sale traffic, 100. Higher opt-in rate and higher engagement, higher chances of sales, 3 times higher. The secret sauce traffic for marketers. This is more for list buildings. This is more for marketers. So if you want also to build your list but also to sell, he recommends you the premium pre-sale traffic. Okay, so this is the way to go if you want if you want higher chances to get sales. Now, the other vendor which we recommend you is JustDeep. With JustDeep we have worked and we had good results with him. Again, we can be affiliates, but we are not for him. We just recommend him because we've worked with him, and he's the real deal. Okay, he has very good traffic, and you can see here what types of traffic he has. Again, premium traffic and buyer's traffic. Okay, buyer's traffic, it's more expensive, you get more chances to sell, 7-day tailor written up follow-up, sequence funnel optimization, and so on. So this is how it looks like. Okay, his traffic, just check him out. And the marketplace, now let's go to the marketplace. So how are you going to work with these solo ad vendors? You are going to order a traffic pack from them, and then you are going to give them your offer. I mean, what you are promoting, where people are going to end up, the landing page, the free report that you are going to give away, and so on. They will prepare an email for their list. They are going to send that email to their list, and it depends how much how many clicks you have ordered. They will deliver that number of clicks. Sometimes they will deliver with 10 or 50% more, and that's how you build your list. Another place where you can go is Udemy. Okay, this is a marketplace. Find sellers, solo leads, extras, affiliates, and so on. And for example, this is how you can use this marketplace. We highly recommend you this if you are going also outside the make money online space. Okay, you go to find sellers, and you have different filters here. like the niche, for example, we want marketing, but maybe we want a different niche like health, right? So in the health niche, let's say that we want a maximum price of 0.55, got sales, how many, basically this is a filter which is very important if you are interested in also getting sales from the solo ads. Why is that? Because this is the percentage of buyers who actually have reported sales after working with that seller. Okay, for this specific niche, for the health niche, if we have 20%, it's good. Okay, and here we have a maximum price 55 cents per click. 20% of people got sales. So we have this first one. 29% people reported sales, 22% top tier, okay, 21%, 20%, so pretty good results, decent results, okay, and the traffic is pretty cheap, so that's why 600 clients with sales for these guys, for Maurizio. So this is why it's important for you to also see if people got sales, okay. And for example, let's say that we want a different niche. Let's say crypto, because crypto is crazy now nowadays. These are the people with crypto, okay, and this is how you can see the buyers. Obviously we recommend you the buyers which have a good ratio between the price and the percentage of people who reported sales. For example, this guy seems very, very good. He also has great reviews, okay. Let's see other niche. Finance, okay, finance, these are the people in finance. Let's say mobile, people in mobile, and so on. So this is the place where you want to go, udemy.com. There are other marketplaces for solo ads out there, but these are the places which we recommend you to use, okay. So we hope this was helpful, and we are looking forward to see you in the next